Navigating the future, the top AI tools for 2026. As we look ahead to the year 2026, the landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, tools is set to evolve dramatically. The advancements in AI will not only streamline workflows but also introduce entirely new possibilities across various industries. In this blog post, we'll explore the best AI tools. Pioneering AI productivity software, the new frontier in efficiency. The year 2026 will see the rise of advanced AI productivity software that seamlessly integrates with existing tools and processes, transforming the way teams collaborate and manage tasks. One of the standout contenders is AI Drive, a platform that uses machine learning algorithms to predict and prioritize tasks based on user behavior patterns. AI Drive's intuitive interface and real-time analytics. ChatGPT alternatives, rethinking conversational AI. While ChatGPT has set a high bar for conversational AI, the year 2026 will bring a new wave of innovative alternatives that offer enhanced functionality and customization. Converse AI is one such platform, leveraging cutting-edge natural language processing, NLP, techniques to deliver hyper-personalized and context-aware conversations. Converse AI's robust API integration and extensive customization. Elevating content creation with AI writing tools. The world of content creation is poised for a significant transformation in 2026, thanks to the emergence of powerful AI writing tools that will take creativity and productivity to new heights. Write Genius is at the forefront of this evolution, offering an AI-driven platform that automates the creation of high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content. With its sophisticated language. Streamlining workflows with AI automation tools. AI automation tools will play a pivotal role in 2026 by enabling businesses to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, thereby freeing up time and resources for more strategic initiatives. Autonix, a leading AI automation platform, uses advanced machine learning algorithms to identify and automate repetitive tasks across various departments. Autonix's intuitive interface and extensive API integrate. Enhancing decision-making with predictive analytics. The year 2026 will also witness the rise of AI tools that leverage predictive analytics to enhance decision-making processes across various industries. Foresight AI, a cutting-edge predictive analytics platform, uses machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and provide actionable insights and predictions. Foresight AI's real-time analytics capabilities and customizable dashboards. For more tips and guides, visit us at techlifeinsights.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.